profound. So this is similar where we have so we have prolific, or profound. Same thing. When I looked at the IPA for this, both were available or both were shown to be correct. With the American accent, I find that the schwa sound is the most used. So instead of profound, it's not wrong, but it sounds more natural. Profound. This means having deep meaning, significance, or impact. Profound. The film's ending left the audience in profound contemplation of what it means to truly live. Oh, here's another one of my favorite C2 words. Maybe I'll add this for another list, for another live training. Contemplation. To contemplate, to think. There's so many delicious words for thinking. Contemplate, to ponder. So these are ways that your English sounds more elevated, but you can do it in a way that fits, so you don't sound like you're a pretentious professor of English. You want to use it in a way that's genuine to your personality. Let's try again. The film's ending left the audience in profound contemplation of what it means to truly live. Good. So remember to pause. And even the essence of this sentence, you do want to pause because it is something, you're talking about something deep. The film's ending, okay, if you have to pretend to be something to loosen up, pretend you're a film critic and you're talking about the seriousness, the beauty of this film. The film's ending left the audience in profound contemplation of what it means to truly live. Right? So be dramatic. When you're silly and you're dramatic in your practice, I'm telling you, your whole body changes because it takes the pressure off of you being you and needing to be perfect. So these are really exciting ways to find yourself. By being somebody else, you can find yourself in your English. Because then you realize like, oh, that doesn't feel natural, or oh, that part felt kind of cool. And so it helps you unlock the essence of you so that you can convey that, you can be that in English. This is designed to help you really understand how to look, feel, and sound more confident, how to refine your American accent, and how to communicate in a way that is genuine to you. If all of this sounds like something that's interesting to you, welcome, and let's get started right now.